I'm very happy to be able to open this session at the moment after the moment where several times it has been said, now we can start to argue. I think we can start to argue indeed, especially with this panel. As has already been remarked, the title of our conference is threefold, with the slipping in of a plural into the third term, trauma, testimony, and discourses, which could mean that this third term is not elevated to the level of that of the two others, that is the level of a concept. Trauma is a concept, testimony is a concept, discourses are just discursive. This malign interpretation of mine is of course contradicted by the very fact that literature is invited into the realm of this threefold conference. For if literature is one thing, then it is certainly the productive subversion of such categories such as concepts on the one hand and discourse on the other hand. The same tension can be observed in the relation between the title of this panel, subjectivity and authenticity in literary representations. The same intelligence was at work here. You have two concepts and a plural. On the one hand, and the passion for literature, our panelists testified to by being in the profession therein. For if this, the profession of, several professions, I meant the profession of literary criticism. I'm going to say a word about this. For if this passion itself testifies to anything, it might probably be the maybe traumatic dimension of a language, literary and other, that doesn't cease to defy the concept of representation as well as the logic of representational concepts. We enter into this problematic space in which I think some of the most crucial questions of transdisciplinary thought could be posed and are being posed, with a lecture by Manuela Consoni, who is head of the Italian Studies section at Hebrew University in Jerusalem. She's the author of a monograph on the memory of the deportation and extermination in Italy between 1945 and 1985. Based on historiographic and memory literary sources. She published several articles on Jewish-Christian relations after the Second World War, on memory and identity issues, and on gender questions. Her current research project is Bracketing Death, Philosophical and Anthropological Analysis of Death and the History of Shoah. The title of her lecture is Survival, Witnessing, and the Language of Authenticity. Manuela.